Hello guys, today we are going to show you how to remove an Android virus. So for this we have a two way. One way is always use your own mobile phone app by which you can remove the Android virus from your phone. And the other way is use an additional app which you can download from the Google Play Store. But I think the best way is for cleaning the virus from your phone is always use your own mobile phone app. But if you don't have, then no worries, I know the best app which can remove all the virus from your Android phone. So first let's start with the mobile phone app. If you are an Android phone user, then simply you will see the app with the name security. Simply tap on this app and here is the option security clean. Simply tap on this option. So as you see, this app is powered by Avast. Now it starts scanning. It will take a while, and when the scanning will be complete, I will show you all the virus in my phone. And also I will show you the other app which will do the same as my own mobile app. So as you see, the scanning has been completed, and here is the list of virus which is in my phone. Now I will show you an additional app which will do the same like my own mobile phone scanner did. So by using that app, you can clean all of your mobile phone virus. So for downloading that app, open your Google Play Store. Now type in the search bar Avast antivirus. So here is the app. I already installed this one. Simply after installation, tap on the option OK. Now tap on get started, tap on skip, again tap on continue and allow this option. If you want to use the premium feature for this app, you need to pay. But if you don't want, simply tap on this cancel icon which is at the left top, tap on continue with that. Now I will start the scan again to show you how this Avast security actually work. Is it do the same like a mobile phone app did or not? Tap on OK. Again allow this access. Now go back. So as you see, now scanning is started. Now just wait for until it's completed. So as you see, the scanning has been completed. Now let's check the virus. Simply tap on the option resolve. So once it's detected, scroll it down. So as you see, it's detected the same like my mobile phone app did. Now let me show you what my mobile app detect. This virus is detected from my mobile phone app, Midnight Runner, Installer, GTA, Moodman, and here is the result of this Avast antivirus. And here is the GTA, and here is the Midnight Resistance APK. So almost the both app detect the same virus from my mobile phone. So let's fix this one. So I'm fixing this from this app. Simply tap on resolve and again tap on remove. When you will tap on remove, the virus will be deleted from your device. So by this way you can clean all your virus from your Android mobile phone.